Guys, in today's video, another Python video. I was bored out of my mind, so in today's video we're just going to show you how to just put a bunch of text in the terminal. So let's get started. I recommend you install Python tester, but you can also use the last method where you just put a text document in I recommended code or nano, whatever, vim. And so I'm going to go into Python tester and let's get started. So the first thing, it showed up on my other screen, but the first thing we're going to put up is, it's very simple. Python is a very simple program. I didn't a program coding thing. I don't really explain why, but Python is like, it's more easier even to us more experienced programmers, the more pro programmers. Even if we know a bunch of JavaScript, sometimes we tend to choose Python more. This is my reason, but we tend to use Python more because it's a lot more easier. But there's nothing wrong with learning JavaScript. JavaScript is another fun language. It's just that it requires a bunch of syntax and more knowledge. You can learn JavaScript and get a great job out of it, even with Python. You could get a great job out of it, but we just tend to use Python more. There's nothing wrong with JavaScript. Don't hesitate to learn it. So anyways, the first thing we're gonna do, this is just a very easy, like 3-minute whatever tutorial. We're just gonna put in print, like you're printing the paper, and we'll put these two brackets that I explained in the last Python video, and put these two quotes and put in whatever you want. So like you probably always do when learning a first program, hello world. So let's maximize this first, and then let's click this, and then it says hello world. So that's basically it. It's super easy. I have no idea why I made this tutorial, probably because I'm just bored out of my mind, but that's it. Just print, and then these two quotes, and then put these two brackets, quotes, and this whatever you want to put into the center. It'll be in the code will be in the description and the comment, pinned comment, and so yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Come like and sub, and we'll see y'all next time. That's been about 3 minutes, so bye.